Welcome to Wondertales. Have you ever had an ice cream sneeze on you? No? Well, let me take you through an amusing tale of Mia and her sneezing ice cream cone. So there stood Mia, right at Mr. Scoop's ice cream shop, her eyes twinkling as she picked out her favorite flavor, vanilla with rainbow sprinkles. Nothing unusual about that, right? Well, the day had other plans. As Mia excitedly took her first lick of the ice cream, something completely unexpected happened. The cone wiggled and then, achoo! The sprinkles exploded everywhere. They landed on her shirt, flew into the air, and even decorated a bird that happened to be flying by. Bless you? Mia managed to giggle, looking at her sneezing ice cream. The cone sniffled back. Sorry, it's a little chilly today. I think I caught a sprinkle cold. Now you'd think that would be it, but no. With every lick Mia took, the cone sneezed, sending a shower of sprinkles raining down. They fell on the playground, on the heads of other kids, and even on the tip of Mr. Scoop's nose. But instead of getting annoyed, everyone started laughing. They held out their hands waiting for the sprinkle showers. Even the mayor, who happened to be passing by, got sprinkled. And you know what he did? He declared it Sprinkle Day in the city. By the end of the day, Mia, still laughing, handed the cone a napkin. Thanks for the fun. Get well soon, she said. And so, an ordinary day turned into an extraordinary one. From then on, whenever someone got sprinkles on their nose, they'd giggle and say, "Looks like the ice cream sneezed on you." And that, my friends, is the hilarious story of how Sprinkle Day was born in the city. So next time you have an ice cream, be prepared. You never know when it might just sneeze on you. Thanks for watching.